we talking about today the law, the Raki, pulling things together, singing a manikai and sharing the bungle, because Raki pulls everyone to gather up, to meet up, and to share the song and the song line and the dreaming, where dreaming go. Because manikai is important to us, because we there sitting, because the Raki keep pulling everyone to coming together and share your knowledge and share what you learn and share the manikai and pass it on to everyone listening. When you're singing, people listening what you're singing about, a song, manikai, because manikai is a song for us, so we have to keep it and show these things to everyone today. We share to the funeral, we share to the people graduate, or we got new building to open it. That's what manikai is. But keep sharing. You're gonna keep sharing. They keep sharing the manikai. It's keep rolling. It's keep rolling. You can share to anyone today. Manikai's didgeridoo clapping stick is open for everyone to share the manikai.